Hello everyone, for those of you who have the Fishbrain app on your smartphone or whatever, I said that I would shoot live, but I can't do that because I think something on YouTube or someone, whatever, you have to have 100 subscribers to be able to do that, to shoot live. So unfortunately for me, I only have 8 so far because I just started. And thank you for all 8 of the followers, by the way, or subscribers, I'm sorry. And anyways, one of the questions that I had asked to me was that what are some of my favorite saltwater species or whatever. I can name, let's see, 4 off the bat. First one being is I haven't caught any of these yet, but my number 1 is definitely a red drum. Full red drum. A reason why I like them is I like the color. I heard they're a good fight, and I mean, and that's what I'm looking for, is a good fight, really. A good fight. They're beautiful fish, and I really honestly want to catch one. My second species would be a black drum, and it's exactly the same reason. You know, I heard they're a good fight as well. The same family as the red drum, etc. So, yeah, that's the reason why I want to do black drum too. Third favorite species that I want to catch is a black tip shark, because of the fight. And I like sharks in general too, so I think they're very, pretty great species, shark, fish, whatever. So, in my fourth is a Florida Pompano. Because I mean, they're beautiful fish, and pretty much without walking into the first sandbar, that question was asked by Brady. Let's see. I'll go ahead and put it up on the screen up here somewhere for you. But yeah, thanks for the question. It was an interesting question as well. So hopefully when I reach 100 subscribers, I can do more live Q&A or Q&A, etc., stuff like that. So, and I'll definitely be doing some more surf fishing when it starts warming up outside. So spring's right around the corner. So I'll be doing some pier fishing on Thursday or in Texas. So I'll make a video of that and hopefully I catch up, a red or something like that. But in the meantime, this is all the time. I can really, thing right now. So but I want to wish y'all happy New Year. Hopefully, the info, I guess, for your info. I'm not trying to reach 1,000 subscribers or any of that kind of crap like that. So I started making videos